Question number 13. Two real numbers are selected independently at random from the interval -20 to 10 inclusive. What is the probability that the product of those numbers is greater than 0? So let's draw approximately to the scale. So we have -20 here, they're going to have a -10 here, then you have a 0 here, and you have a 10 here, right? So each distance is about 10. So from -20 to 10, or from 10 to -20, total distance is 30, right? So let's say you pick up two numbers, right? So this is x, right? O and y, two numbers. So one possibility for the product to be positive is you have a x in this range and a y here. I mean, no, x here as well, y as here. So both are negative, in other words. So you have a negative times negative equal to positive, right? So that's one possibility. Or you can, x and y can both be here, x from 0 to 10 and y 0 to 10 as well. This is of the case is positive times positive equal to positive, right? It's only those two possibilities greater than 0. So let's look at what's probability here for this first case. Then we look at the second case. So first case, you know, this is 20 distance, this is 10, right? So for x to be in this range out of 30 distance, the probability is 20 times 20 over 30, and the y has to be there as well. So this is another condition has to be met, right? So this is for x and y both are negative, and this would be 4/9 probability. For both to be positive, x has to be falling into this range, which is distance 10, right? Would be 10/30, and y again in that range as well. So that is 1/9. Now let's pause a little bit. People may ask why you don't consider your pickup x or y to be 0. In that case, the product would be 0, and the question is asking for greater than 0. Well, this is because you have a real numbers, and real number between any 2 points, let's say between 0 and 10, there are millions of infinity numbers existed, right, in this range, for example, right? So we can pick up a 1, doesn't impact, does not really reduce the available numbers to be picked. Even from 0 to 0.01, they are infinity real numbers. Therefore, we don't have to be bothered with, oh, what if I pick up a 0? Or another question, hey, what if I, you pick one number, you have one less number in the sample, so it's this distance not 30 anymore, or this not 20, it should be 19, or this is 29. No, that's incorrect reasoning. Okay, so we have two possibilities make this to be positive. One is 4/9, one is 1/9. So the probability both are positive would be equal to sum of that two possibilities, which is 5/9, and the answer is D.